Think all engine oils are the same? Think again. The wrong oil can quietly murder your engine, 1 mile at a time. And guess what? Some of the worst offenders are sitting right on store shelves with shiny labels and fake promises. In this video, we're exposing the engine oils that mechanics won't touch, dealerships quietly avoid, and that could turn your reliable car into a wheezing, oil-chugging disaster. Buckle up, we're saving your engine before your wallet needs CPR. Engine oil number 1. Cheap, no-name oil brands with no certification. If it looks shady and smells like marketing, it probably is. No certification? No thank you. API and ILSAC certifications exist for a reason, so your engine doesn't become a science experiment. Skip the budget oil shelf, unless you want your lifters to sound like a broken drum solo. Because nothing says bad decisions like buying engine oil. Oil number 2. Wrong viscosity for your engine. Pouring 10W40 into a Civic is like putting molasses in your coffee. It's just wrong. Modern engines are picky. That thick oil you think is helping? It's clogging the system, delaying startup protection, and wrecking your variable valve timing. Follow the manual, not your uncle's outdated advice. Unless your goal is slow-cooked engine failure, save the thick stuff for pancakes. Number 3. Diesel engine oil in gasoline engines. Zinc might sound healthy, but not when it's killing your catalytic converter. Diesel oils are loaded with CDDP, which is great for trucks, not so great for your Hyundai. If the label says diesel and your engine says unleaded, back away slowly. Your engine isn't a semi-truck, and your catalytic converter doesn't deserve a chemical beatdown. Number 4. Outdated API categories. If your oil spec belongs in a VHS tape, don't pour it in your 2024 ride. Those old SJ and SL oils were fine back when flip phones were high-tech. Today, they're not equipped to handle turbo heat or carbon buildup. You might as well lubricate with hot dog water. Unless your car comes with a cassette deck and crank windows, leave the vintage oil on the shelf. Number 5. High mileage oils when you don't need them. If your car isn't leaking, don't invite drama into your seals. High mileage oils are great for old engines. But if your car's still in its prime, think of it like Botox for a toddler. Unnecessary and weird. Save the wrinkle cream for grandma's Buick, not your barely broken-in Mazda. Number 6. Racing oils in daily drivers. Unless your commute includes a podium finish, skip the racing oil. Racing oils lack cleaning agents. That means sludge galore in daily drivers. Also, high ZDDP. Remember, that stuff made for large diesel semi-trucks? That eats catalytic converters. Great for the track though, apparently, but terrible for traffic. Your 30-minute Starbucks run doesn't need Formula One lubrication, champ. Number 7. Extended life oils without a filter upgrade. That fancy oil is great until your bargain bin filter clogs up. That's not filtration, that's engine roulette. It's like wearing designer shoes with dollar store socks. Looks good until it all falls apart. Number 8. Recycled oil with no re-refining certification. Just because it says eco-friendly doesn't mean your engine agrees. Uncertified recycled oil? That's just dirty oil with a shower. If it's not re-refined and tested, it's sludge in disguise. Your camshaft deserves better. If the oil's past life includes lawnmowers and fryer grease, maybe skip it for your daily driver. Number 9. Old opened oil containers from the garage. If your oil's old enough to vote, toss it. Air and moisture break it down. Settled additives mean uneven protection. Just toss the leftovers from 2020 and buy fresh. Your engine will thank you. Unless you want your engine running on expired soup, ditch the dusty jug. Number 10. Additive-loaded gimmick oils. If it sounds like a snake oil commercial, it probably is. Ceramic particles? PTFE? Sounds magical, until your oil passages gum up and your wallet cries. Stick with OEM-approved oils, not chemistry class experiments. Your engine's not a science fair project. Stop pouring in glitter and hope. Number 11. Mismatched synthetic and conventional blends. Your engine isn't a cocktail bar. Stop mixing drinks in it. Yes, some oils are blended on purpose, but random top-offs? That throws the formula off and leads to sludge. Be consistent. Be boring. Be engine safe. Save the mixing for margaritas, not motor oil. Number 12. Too frequent oil changes with the wrong oil. Changing your oil every 3,000 won't help if it's trash oil to begin with. Using junk oil frequently doesn't earn you points. Use quality oil and follow the interval. More isn't always better. It's just more. That's like brushing your teeth 5 times a day with maple syrup. Your dentist might love you for it, but your car sure won't. Number 13, oils without manufacturer approval. If your oil doesn't pass the test, it doesn't pass go. Skip them, and you might as well kiss your warranty goodbye, especially in turbocharged or Euro cars. Your car doesn't care how cheap the bottle was, it cares if it passes chemistry class. Number 14, using diesel Delvac or Delo in passenger gas cars. Great for semis, bad for Civics. Heavy-duty oils aren't designed for gasoline emission systems. They'll clog catalytic converters, confuse sensors, and crucify your MPG. Use the right tool for the job. Unless your daily driver hauls freight for a living, leave the truck oil to the trucks. Number 15, any oil you don't recognize or can't research. If Google doesn't know it, your engine shouldn't either. No certifications, no reviews, no traceability. That's not oil, it's a lawsuit waiting to happen. Don't put mystery goo in your crankcase. If it sounds like a sketchy supplement ad, it probably belongs in a late-night infomercial. Don't get burned. Your engine oil isn't just lube, it's life support. The right oil protects, cools, seals, and cleans. The wrong oil? It slowly turns your engine into a boat anchor. So read your manual, look for certifications, and when in doubt, don't pour it out. Hit like if this saved your engine. Comment below if you've ever learned the hard way, and subscribe for more brutally honest car advice. Because trust me, this isn't the only fluid you're probably using wrong.